Tēnā koutou katoa. Pēhea tō mutunga wiki. Ka rawe. In last week's clip we talked about the time and I set out a challenge and I said, ia rā, have a kōrero with your cat or your tamaiti and ask them, he aha te wā or he aha te taima. We do it every day. Well, this week's challenge is this, the weather. It's something we look at every single day and generally sometimes ask the question every single day, what's the weather doing? This is how we ask, what's the weather doing? Kai te pēhea te āhua o te huarere I tēnei rā. It sounds like a mouthful, but let's break it down here. Let's break it down. We remember kaite, present tense. Kaite, pēhea, it's a new kupu, it's a new word. How? Kai te pēhea koe. How are you? Kai te pēhea koe. Kai te pēhea te āhua. Te āhua. Āhua is it means a lot of things, but the appearance of something. Kai te pēhea te āhua o te huarere. Weather. Te huarere. The weather. Today. This day. I tēnei rā. Tēnei, this, rā, day. Let's look at it again. Kai te pēhea, te āhua, o te huarere, I tēnei rā. When you break it down into sections, it's actually not so bad. So my challenge is to learn this. Kai te pēhea, te āhua, o te huarere, I tēnei rā. What's the weather doing today? Now here are 5 ways to answer that. And it generally covers most weather patterns. Hang in there. Mareno. Ua. Paki. Wera. A makareri. So, you wake up in the morning, you have a kōrero with your rangatira, your partner, and you say, "O kai te pēhea te āhua o te huarere I tēnei rā." They may reply, "Ooh, kai te marino." Kai te marino. It's calm. Remembering, it started with a kaite in the question, so when we reply, we're also going to start with a kaite. Always. Kai te marino. But you peek through those curtains and you see that it's raining and you go, "Oh, we. Kai te ua. Kai te ua. It's raining." If it's fine, which it is most days, you're simply going to say, "Kai te paki." Someone asks you, "Kai te pēhea te āhua o te huarere tēnei rā e hoa." Oh, kai te paki. It's fine. Let's add a te rā at the end, which is the day. So, you look outside and it's hot. You would reply, "Kai te wera te rā." Kai te wera te rā. It's hot today. It's hot today. What about makareri? It's cold, you got the heat pump on. O kai te pēhea te āhua o te huarere tēnei rā. O kai te makareri tēnei rā. This day. Kai te makareri tēnei rā. Hopefully that makes sense. Kai te wera, kai te makareri, tēnei rā. It's hot, it's cold today. And just as a bonus, what if the sun's out and the birds are chirping? You'd say, kai te whiti te rā. The sun is shining. Kai te whiti te rā. Remember that one, it's a goodie. It just rolls off the tongue, that one. And just finally, before I go, catch this. As I said in previous videos, with the reply, simply change your tone into a question. For example, kai te wera te rā. It is hot. The day is hot. What about if I say, kai te wera te rā? Kai te wera te rā e hoa? Yeah, aye. Yes, it is. I've asked a question. Kai te makarere I tēnei rā e hoa? Is it cold today? Ai. Or kao? No. Change that tone, turn it into a question, you've doubled your kete. Ka rawe, karawhiua, kia pai tō wiki.